السلام عليكم. ما رأيك في مصروف الجيب؟ ما رأيك? What's your opinion? What is your opinion? ما رأيك? رأي means opinion. ما means what? رأيك means your opinion. What is your opinion في about مصروف الجيب? مصروف الجيب, جيب means pocket money. All right, a specific a particular an amount of money which a person or a student use in a month. مصروف الجيب means pocket money. Masroof actually means expenses. Jaib means pocket. All right. So, pocket expenses, daily, monthly or daily expenses, something like that. Abdullah wa Samira. Abdullah and Samira, la yukhudani. They do not take. Ya'khudhu means he takes. Ya'khudani means they take. They too take. La ya'khudani means they do not take. Abdullah and Samira, they do not take. Mablagan kafiyan. Enough. What? Enough pocket money. Mablagan means enough money. Mablagan means money, kafiyan means enough. They do not take enough money for li means for masrufil jaybi for pocket money. They do not take enough pocket money. They do not take enough pocket money min walidihima from their father. Walid means father, hima means their. Their means Samira and Abdullah. Whom, huma, whom, huma, whom. Huwa, huma, hum. All right. Huma means they too. So Abdullah and Samira. That means they do not take enough pocket money from their father. Falwalidu and the father. يعتقد believe. Father believes. Father thinks. The dad thinks their dad thinks. And then nuqud al-kathira. A lot of money. Nuqud al-kathira, excessive money or a lot of money, قد تفسد الأولاد will ruin the children. All right, giving a lot of money, giving excessive money to the children might ruin their life. Afsada yufsidu means ruining something, spoiling, destroying. أولاد ولد, one walad, one boy. Awlad means many. All right, many children, something like that. Children. So many money can ruin children's life. All right. Wal ummu and mother tushariku, who she is also agreeing. She also agrees. Tushariku sharaka yushariku means sharing, something like that. Aydan also fi nafsi ra'i. That means her mother is also sharing the same opinion. That means her mother also agrees that excessive amount of money can ruin children's life. Al-ummu tusharik. Sharaka yusharik means sharing the opinion. Aidan means also. Nafs means same. Same ra'yun. Ra'yun means opinion. Fi nafsi ra'i means same opinion. Mother is also sharing the same opinion that children's life can be ruined by excessive money. وبالطبع, definitely. وبالطبع means definitely. لا يوافق. وافق يوافق means uh, being agreed. Being agree. Abdullah wa Samira do not agree. Abdullah and Samira لا يوافق means they do not agree. Abdullah and Samira do not agree على ذلك, on this. وافق يوافق, they are not okay with this opinion. على ذلك means على ذلك رأي, upon this opinion. ويقولان, and they say. يقولان means they say. They both say. What say? إن الآباء, definitely the fathers لا يمكنهم, fathers cannot. يمكن means they are not. Fathers are not possible. Fathers are not possible to do something. What is that? أن يشتروا, fathers are not possible. Fathers are not possible to buy. Ishtara yastaru means buying. To buy kulla shay'in, everything, li abnaihim, for their children. They are saying that fathers cannot buy everything that their children needed. All right, kulla shay'in, everything they are needed. They are not possible to buy everything they need, their children need. فهناك أشياء, and they are also saying the فهناك, and what are these things they are not able to buy for their children? فهناك, and there are أشياء صغيرة, little stuff, little things. There are some very tiny things, very simple things. There are some simple things. يجب أن يشتريها, that الأبناء, that the children need to buy. There are some little things, there are simple things that children themselves need to buy. يشتريها الأبناء, means children themselves need to buy min masruf al jaybi, from their pocket money. Okay, everything is not everything is not be able to be bought by father. Okay, fathers cannot buy everything for the children. There are some little and simple things that children need to buy by their own pocket money. All right, that's what this line is saying. يصطرح الأبناء children need to buy something from their pocket money من مصروف الجيبي. All right, مصروف الجيبي هنا. And وعندما يقول الوالدان وعندما and whenever وعندما that means when um, وعندما when يقول الوالدان parents are saying when parents are saying إن على الأولاد when parents say or parents are saying إن definitely على الأولاد this is responsibility on the children. This is and على الأولاد means responsibility on the children. This is responsibility on the child. Whenever you say you would see على on a word, it's gonna be an emphasis or on some on that thing. على الأولاد means it's a responsibility on the children. Children أن يقدروا so that they can يقدروا they can understand the value. قدر يقدر they can understand the value. قيمة المال they can understand the or they can give importance. They can understand the importance or value. قيمة means value. المال value of money so that they can understand the value of money. قيمة means value. mal means money. The parents always say that this is responsibility on the children to understand. قدر يقدر means to understand, to realize the value of money. Okay, money has value. يرد عبد الله. Abdullah replies. وسامرة قائلا, and they both saying together. رد يرد means replying. Alright, يرد عبد الله وسامرة قائلا. They both reply with saying إنهما يدركان. They definitely understand. أدرك يدرك means they definitely realize. They definitely realize. يدركان أدرك يدرك من باب الإفعال to realize. They realize قيمة المال جيدا. They definitely realize the importance of money very well. They definitely realize very well the importance of money. قيمة المال. قيمة means value of money. That means جيدا. They realize جيدا very well. وإذا كان مصروفه, and they also say that وإذا كان مصروف فهما كافيا if they have enough pocket money. مصروف means pocket money. هما كافيا means enough. If they're saying if they have enough pocket money. If they have enough pocket money, whom means for them. If they have enough pocket money for them, فسوف they will يتعلمان. They will learn. تعلم يتعلم they will learn. They will learn. What they will learn? كيف ينفقان باعتدال. They will learn how to spend money. How to spend money باعتدال with with balance. They will understand the balance of spending, something like they will be able to learn how to spend money wisely. Okay, in a wise manner. باعتدال means keeping a balance. They will understand the balance of spending money. باعتدال. ينفقان means spending. وكيف يوفران, and they will also learn what كيف, how to يوفر, how to save money. How to save money or how to increase money. يدخران same meaning. يوفر means saving. يدخران means also saving. They will also learn how to save money. Okay, وفر يوفر has another meaning which is increasing. They will also able to learn how to enhance money, how to increase money. وفر يوفر. ادخر يدخر. They both mean together saving money. And finally there are some questions. ما المقدار المناسب? What is the what is the لمصر الجبل الأرض والبنات في سنك ما رأيك? What is the specific amount of money? ما المقدار المناسب means what is the specific amount of pocket money? مقدار means amount. مناسب means perfect or specific. What is the specific or perfect amount of money for pocket money? للأولاد والبنات في سنك. What do you think? What should be the specific amount of money for a boy uh, in your age? All right, in your age, what do you think the children should have what amount of pocket money? ما رأيك? What is your opinion? Something like that. أي هذه الأشياء, and there's another question. أي هذه الأشياء تستطيع شراءه? Let me do something here. Okay. Well, and the next question is uh, next one is saying that أي هذه الأشياء تستطيع شراءه بمصروف جيبك كم يكلف. أي هذه, which things, down here below, you will be able to buy. تستطيع means you will be able to buy. شراءه means you will be able to buy. تستطيع means you'll be able. شراءه means to buy. Which of these things below will you be able to buy بمصروف جيبك, with your pocket money. كم يكلفك, and how much money it will take. How much money it will take. كم يكلف, كلف يكلف, what would be the expenses, how much money it will take to buy these things from your pocket money. And another question is كم تحتاج, how much money. كم تحتاج means how much money do you need. تحتاج means needing. كم تحتاج, how much do you need. How much do you need من الوقت, not money, sorry. من الوقت means how much time you need. من الوقت means how much time you need. If it was كم تحتاج من المال, then the translation was supposed to be how much money do you need. So كم تحتاج من الوقت, how much time do you need لتدخر. لتدخر to what, to save المبلغ المطلوب. المبلغ المطلوب means to buy. Sorry. I did something, it was supposed to be here. Okay, that's it. So yeah. Next one is saying كم تحتاج من الوقت, how much time do you need to save. To save المبلغ المطلوب, enough money لشراء كل من الأشياء التالية, to buy all the things. How much time do you think you will be needing to save enough money to buy all these things below. That's a question. So these are just questions to raise the curiosity of the reader. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.